guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a quick spark plug change on the Miata, changing out the plugs and the cables. It shouldn't take too long. I'm just going to do a quick time lapse of the whole thing, and then probably do a quick wipe down of the car because it's been just sitting in the garage a little bit dusty, and then maybe find a spot to park, maybe a parking lot or something, just to kind of get a full walk around the car, be able to talk about it, kind of introduce it to the channel, and just talk about things I want to do in the future. But yeah, just a short, quick video today. Nothing too crazy. But yeah, let's jump right in. Okay, moment of truth. I'm gonna turn off for the first time, see if everything's good. Alright, so I found a spot out here. I'm gonna do this quick because I'm on the side of the road on a canyon, so it might be loud. But yeah, so I just did the spark plug install. Everything turned out pretty smooth. No issues at all. Started up like normal, so that's good. I haven't turned it off since then, so I'm gonna just leave it on in case I have issues restarting it. But yeah, I'm just gonna do a quick run around. Because it's already dark out, but this phone is getting pretty good light. So yeah, this is the car, 99 NB. I really got to get that mic because the audio is going to be terrible on this. I'll just try to talk whenever cars are gone. But yeah, basically this is my second Miata. I had an NA first a few years ago. But yeah, this is my first NB. I got pretty lucky with this one. Only had 63,000 miles when I got it. Picked it up right outside of San Diego. I'm out in LA area. That's Malibu down there. But yeah, really good deal. Not too bad on the price either. Yeah, everything's pretty stock, honestly. The only thing now that I've had it that's not stock are the clutch line that I replaced to stainless steel, but everything else is pretty much stock, obviously, except for the wheels. Those are Rotas. I think they're called Circuit 8s. I actually had Rotas on my Datsun, so I'm pretty familiar with them. I know they're technically reps, if you want to call that, but I like them for what they are. And I think it's also on Tokiko, like dampers or shocks. They're not coilovers, but they did. I'm pretty sure this is like technically lower than stock because it does ride a little lower than the other NBs I've seen. But yeah, definitely not lowered. But yeah, note about the spark plugs. I noticed there was a lot of oil in the first cylinder, the first plug. So I do got to check that out. And I mean, if you see in the photos in the time lapse, the valve cover is like super oily around it. So I'm pretty sure there's a gasket gone bad. But yeah, this is the car. Like I said, everything's mostly stock. I think the big upgrades I want to do to it soon are I actually want to get some spacers for the wheels, because if you notice, they're like really tucked in. It's not too bad, but I was thinking maybe like a 25 mil spacer. I think that comes out to around an inch if I'm correct. But yeah, just to kind of bring them out, I don't really want to get new wheels yet. I think these look pretty good on the car as it is. If I was going to get new wheels, I'd probably save up for some Watanabes, because those are honestly my dream wheel. I do want to eventually at some point change out the front lip, because this one is cracked, if you can see. I would probably just replace it with the same factory one, because I do like the stock, I think it's called the Tupperware kit. I like it because it comes with the skirts and the lips and whatnot. And I think it has like rear spats as well. So honestly, it's good. And I think, I don't know if this was an option, but it came with the, I believe that's the Mazda Speed, like ducktail. But everything looks good on it as is, to be honest. You know, one thing I really want to do to the exterior is hardtop. I was thinking maybe like matching the body color, but I do like the way the black on white looks, so I might even get a black hardtop and just leave it like that, like a kind of like a dual tone black on white kind of style. Yeah, eventually I want to, you know, I already upgraded the LEDs on most of them. I think the next thing I want to do for lights is change out the side markers for the LED side markers. I did put LED tails as well, just the bulbs, obviously. But yeah, this is the car. I'm gonna make a lot more content soon. Just trying to save some money for, like, you know, little things here and there. That's why I'm starting off small, you know, spark plugs and things that are like maintenance first. Eventually I want to get into actual mods. But for now, you know, just taking my time. Also, you know, I don't have a lot of money to be throwing in my car right now, so just trying to enjoy it and just make sure it runs smooth, first of all. But yeah, that's the car, guys. I appreciate you watching. I'm gonna keep this one short, if it is short. But yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the views. I love coming out here. I really gotta do this more often. This is like a nice thumbnail, to be honest. Get the city in the background. All right, that's enough. All right, guys, thanks for watching. If you like it, like it. If you don't. And if you want to subscribe, if you're into this stuff, subscribe. Yeah, and I'll catch you on the next one. All right, bye, guys.